Lamb. It may be synonymous with ushering in spring, but we're gonna cook up a festive dish that is simply stunning and delish. Let's go.
This recipe, in Bobby Flay we trust. First, we make a glaze. In a bowl, add a half cup pomegranate molasses, 2 tablespoons horseradish, and 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard with some S&P, whisk well and set aside. Next, we make a relish. Take seeds from 1 ripe pomegranate and combine with 1 chopped red onion, 1 finely diced jalapeno, and a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley with some salt, and set that aside. Now, grab your lamb. These are T-bone chops from my favorite butcher, Happy to Meet You, but you can easily use boneless tenderloins. Either way, brush your meat with some avocado oil and season with salt and pepper. With the heat on high, grill the lamb on one side to a golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it, then brush some of the pomegranate glaze you just made over top, and you continue to grill for another 3-4 minutes until it's medium rare. When done, brush some more glaze on top, remove from the grill, tent with foil, and let rest for 5 minutes. Slice a lamb into 1-inch thick pieces, top with the pomegranate jalapeno relish, serve it to your pickiest eaters, and watch them savor this crown jewel with delight.